Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Virgo, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. All right, Virgo, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Virgo, if you're new here, we welcome you as well to join us. Subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So, Virgo, the High Priestess in reverse, King of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, wow, Eight of Swords in reverse, fabulous. The World in reverse, Six of Swords in reverse, the Star, Hierophant, and the Emperor upright. Things could have become stagnant, right? But I have a feeling, Virgo, somebody wants to come and reveal all now. They want to speak their truth. They are ready. King of Pentacles sitting, looking really handsome here on my table, wanting to offer. Look at this King of Pentacles holding this pentacle. Can you see it? Right? And that's the pentacle they want to now offer. They're ready for that offer. They're ready to become that emperor now. They don't want to shut this chapter down. They want to release. They're coming out of their head, I feel. No more overthinking, no more stressing, especially now that things have, I think, become a little lopsided between the two of you. They know who their wish fulfillment is. And they're also realizing why things have gone a wrong direction. Maybe it was because they were not ready for commitment or something. But I do feel that they want to now show up. Let's see. Okay, so let me start with some dialogue message cards for you, Virgo. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify the rest of the cards. So Virgo and their person spirit, they could say something to each other now. What would that be? One more. Virgo and their person. Thank you. I'm going to take a few more from here, Virgo. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Virgo and their person. Take a couple more from here and then we're good to go. Virgo and their person. Thank you. Okay, I just got one. Let me take one more. One more. Okay. Start your reading, Virgo, now. First card here says, I know that you're with someone else, but you could tell me the truth about how you feel so I don't think I'm going effing crazy. Being one with you intimately is home to me. I desire to be one with you and home with you. The thought of another being with you kills me. Darling, you are mine. Why do you hide your pain from me? You know that I can see right through you. Our souls are entwined and reflect each other deeply. If you would only talk with me, I could help support your healing, and then this would help heal me too. Though we cannot meet or see each other, still, I love you more every day. My heart belongs to you for eternity. You're all I've ever truly wanted in my life. You are my everything. I'm feeling really insecure at this time. I feel like a little child compared to you. You make me feel weak at the knees. I feel overwhelmed and powerless to this all-consuming love I have for you. I don't want to live without you in my life anymore. You're all I think about, and I'm haunted by your presence. I long to be with you. I see a future with you. See? My feelings for you are now platonic. Well, I think one person gave up and that's why the stagnancy has happened, right? Things could be at a standstill between the two of you. But there is a King of Pentacles who's now wanting to come and speak their truth, I guess. Let's start with an angel blessing card here, Virgo. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other. Sorry, what am I saying? I'm still ogling at the King of Pentacles, it seems. Okay, so my angels, what do you have for my Virgo gang? Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message? Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message? Emotions. Deep emotions between the two of you separately. Maybe somebody is going through the dark night of the soul at the moment, feeling that person doesn't love them. But I do feel things are going to get better, even though there's absolute standstill, stagnancy happening as I'm doing the reading. What's this High Priestess in reverse, Spirit? What's this High Priestess in reverse? Somebody wants to come out of feeling bored and rejected and neglected, and they're willing to now risk it all. They want to take a fresh leap of faith and say, okay, I'm ready now. I'm ready. Let's do it. I mean, let's just not do it. Let's go all the way, right? Ten of Pentacles. I'm ready to take that risk after feeling this way about, maybe you guys are in separation, but now they want to come and reveal whatever they've been hiding in their heart and say, let's do it now. It's literally like saying, let's run away to, court or the church right now and get married. So, King of Pentacles. Okay, it's your turn and I'm going to give you the mic. Let's see what this King of Pentacles wants to say to us. King of Pentacles, they want a rebirth of this connection, Virgo. This King of Pentacles is telling me, I want to resurrect this connection. What else would you like to say, Mr. King of Pentacles? They are feeling very demotivated. They're going through a very emotional time. There's nothing that's exciting this King of Pentacles anymore. And they want to restart this connection and they want to now offer it with stability. Ace of Pentacles. They feel ever since their person left their life or has stopped giving to them, the Empress in reverse, right? Empress in reverse is a person who says, hey, if you're not going to respect me, if you're not going to offer me everything and anything, then I don't see any potential. There's no growth, there's no fertility, there's no abundance, there's no future. Then, well, I'm not interested. So since I think this Empress has pulled their own power back, an imbalance has been felt by this King of Pentacles. They're not happy that things are not, in harmony now. Like they are. Yeah, I mean, I just said this, right? The Empress could have walked away from this connection. So, Eight of Swords, Spirit, in reverse. Yes, this King of Pentacles wants to now get over the stress. They've been in a mental prison. That's why I think it's the King of Pentacles who's been going through this very deep, dark emotions, and they want to desperately come out of it now, and they want to start a brand new chapter. They want to put an ending to this thinking and stressing and being upset all the time. They want to shut all this down. They don't want to shut the chapter down with this Empress. So the World card in reverse, Spirit. World card in reverse. Yes, look at this, Virgo. I need thumbs ups from all of you right now. This is it. The Two of Cups. I don't want to shut this chapter down. We are soulmates. We are meant to be together. It's almost like they want to return. Six of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Yes, they want to come in with an apology for all the things that went wrong. Maybe things did start to go in a wrong direction, right, in this connection. But this King of Pentacles is ready to offer everything. I'm getting a little jealous here, Virgo. They're coming in with apologies, love, stability, marriage, a new beginning. And they want to apologize for the fight or the competition or whatever arguments you guys had. If they were not choosing, they're ready to choose now. They're ready to choose that one option which makes their heart sing, which is this Empress. So the Star, Spirit, Star. Yeah, they don't want to be a player anymore. They just want to communicate with this Empress and bring justice. They want to do things right now, right this time. See, this is what they're offering. This is what they're offering. Will you be my Queen of Pentacles to my King of Pentacles? They want to do the right thing by this Queen of Pentacles now, after they have this communication, I guess, about why things went the wrong direction, why they didn't. They do want to come in as the High Priestess in reverse, is somebody who doesn't want to keep any secrets. They want to bare their soul and their whatever. About why they did not offer commitment, I think. Yes, you can receive a message soon. You can receive a message soon, Virgo. If you're not this King of Pentacles and you're the Empress, this person is coming in quickly. You receive a message from them. They do want to offer an equal partnership now. After maybe in the past, maybe they didn't, right? So they want to talk about that. And well, they're coming in as the Emperor now to this Empress. Emperor, come on, I'll give you the mic as well. Say something to us. Emperor. Oh, wow. Emperor is clarified by the Emperor, Empress. This person has been manifesting. They have been manifesting something beautiful to re-begin. I think, what's this Page of Swords, Spirit in reverse? Yes, they are also burdened by maybe they were burdened. Maybe people were gossiping. There was ugly gossip going on about this connection. Something that was burdening them. They want to talk about it, but now they've become strong enough to say, well, I make my own life's decisions and I'm going to be the emperor of my own life, and I'm going to message my Empress and get her back. So what's this Page of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit, as our overall energy? Yes, the stoppage right now, or what can I say, the stagnancy that has happened in this connection is because of this Empress. This Empress has put her boundaries up. This Empress has been blocking this King of Pentacles to say, hey, if you can't come in correct, I'm not going to let you back in. And that's what an Empress does. Maybe this Empress has forced this King of Pentacles to even become better, and now they're showing up as the Emperor. Beautiful reading, Virgo. I hope it resonates with all of you out there, all the ones at least who are going through separation at the moment. So that's all I have. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.